ओके ये क्वेश्चन देखो अभी. A particle is projected vertically upwards from a point A on the ground. It takes t1 time to reach a point B but still continues to move up. If it takes further t2 time to reach the ground from point B, then the height of point B from the ground is what? Four options are given. We have to check which option is correct. So how to solve this? This is your ground, okay, and this is the, let's say, level of point B, height of point B. Let's say this is H, okay. So our particle is starting from here, going up, okay, reaching maximum height, then coming back down and reaching the ground again. So time to go from point A to point B, let's say this is your point A, okay. So this is your point A, point B, and this is point C. So t1 is what? Time taken to go from A to B, right? Then t2 is what? T2 is a further time taken to go from B and come back to ground. So this is B to C and back to A, right? A to B time taken is t1, B to C and back to A time taken is t2. Now this also means that time to go from A to C and then come to B should also be t2, right? A to C and then come to B should also be t2 because its vertical projectile motion is basically symmetric, correct? जितना टाइम ये जर्नी में लगा उतना ही टाइम ये जर्नी में भी लगेगा. So these two time intervals are equal, okay. So basically we could say that H is equal to ut1 minus gt1 square by 2, correct, where u is the initial velocity. And we could also say that H is equal to ut2 minus gt2 square by 2, right, because the body reaches the point B in time t1, it also reaches the point B in time t2. So t1 and t2 both should give the same value of H, or we could say that if we write down H equal to ut minus gt square by 2, okay, then this quadratic has two solutions. That is t1 and t2, right? So if we rearrange our quadratic equation, t square minus 2u by gt plus 2h by g is equal to 0. This is my quadratic equation, right? Correct. I could write this as t minus t1, t minus t2 equal to 0, okay, or t square minus t1 plus t2 into t plus t1 t2 equal to 0. So now when you compare these two equations, when you compare the coefficients, the constant terms should be equal, right? So we say that 2h by g should be equal to t1 t2, or h equal to g t1 t2 by 2. So answer will be option D.